Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the driver's seat. First, turn the ignition to ACC so the head unit powers up. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the screen on. This allows the phone to respond to pairing requests. On the Nissan Sunny stereo, go into Settings, then Bluetooth, and choose Add Device or Pair. Doing these steps now puts both devices into pairing mode, which is necessary because the car and phone can only exchange credentials when discoverable. Once your phone lists the car's Bluetooth name, tap it promptly. Delays may time out the discovery. Make sure the PIN on the phone matches the PIN shown on the Sunny display, then accept or confirm on both sides. Next, grant permissions for contacts and audio so calls and media work through the speakers. If you plan to use streaming, set media audio enabled. These confirmations finalize the trust between devices and let the head unit access phonebook and playback. To finish, play music and make a short test call so you verify that sound and the mic route through the car. If the connection drops or pairing fails, remove any previous Nissan Sunny entries from your phone and retry. Stale entries often block new pairings. Once done, reboot the phone or toggle Bluetooth, and if problems persist, reset the head unit's Bluetooth settings or check for firmware updates. This sequence resolves most issues and explains why
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.